Okay, welcome to the video. We're working on a CAD 12 Cannondale here. We're doing a grid cable change. So how do you access, this is your Shimano 505 shifter. So this is, we peeled back the hood here. So pull the flaps right back, expose the goodie. There was a cover on here we got to remove. And to show you here on this shifter, boom, so we flop it up. There's that screw there. There's another screw on the other side. Undo those. And then this cap pops off. There's your two screws. Do your best to keep hold of those, and then your cable goes through like this. So I'm just going to pull this head out. This cable's a bit short, so there you go. So you can understand that, and then you got to loop it through, go through there, things like that. So that's how you do it, basically. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. Is that clear? There you go. So then when you're going to re-thread the cable, you're just going to poke it through here, and then you're going to poke it through there, and it's going to come out inside. And little hot tip is, just look at this, see how this is frayed? Alright, so that will cause shifting issues. So what we'll do is get some cable cutters and we'll nicely level it off nice and clean, because these little things fray, they cause shifting issues, and then you think, oh, mechanicals doesn't work so good. It does. You just got to keep it sharp, and that's how you change your shifters on the Shimano BS or RS505 doorknob. Alright, everyone loves a good doorknob polish, and this is your BBC doorknob right here. If you found this video helpful, thumb it up. If you found it confusing, thumb it down. See you on the road. If you want more information, go to durianrider.com. Keep it calm.